Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sensing path and optics. Connect power and let the detector stabilize for the recommended 1-5 minutes so thermal equilibrium is reached. Next, ensure the lens is matched to the sensor and focused. This controls resolution and range. You choose microbolometer versus cooled detectors based on sensitivity needs because that choice determines noise floor and frame rate. Once done, start a live capture stream so you can see raw thermal contrast and confirm the optics are imaging the correct scene. You now calibrate and process the raw frames to extract accurate temperatures. First, set the emissivity for your target because material emissivity controls how radiance maps to temperature. Wrong values yield errors. Then run non-uniformity correction or NUC to minimize pixel-to-pixel bias. This step reduces fixed pattern noise and reveals true gradients. After that, choose a palette temperature range, and auto or manual span so contrast highlights relevant features. Make sure to record both radiometric and visual settings for reproducibility. You perform final measurements and verification to complete the workflow. Aim the camera, select a region of interest, and capture spot and area temperatures while noting distance and angle because those affect accuracy. Then validate with a contact thermometer or a blackbody reference to confirm calibration because discrepancies indicate emissivity or NUC issues. Once satisfied, save calibrated video and export radiometric frames or CSV data. If readings drift or show bands, run another NUC and recheck emissivity. This troubleshooting step usually resolves artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.